Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Chicken Chana Daal. All 1½ cup. Green onion. Now add ginger garlic green chili paste. Tomato. $500 grams. Yogurt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, Kashmiri red chili, garam masala. Cook for 5 minutes. Now add Chana Daal. Now add to glass water. Now cook for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. After 15 minutes, Chicken Chana Daal is ready. Now add some kasuri methi. Dal is ready, now serve. Subscribe my channel. Like, share, comment. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.